Hi, in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a course inside Moodle. In your Moodle account, click Site Administration. In Site Administration, click Courses tab. Select Manage Courses and Categories. In Course and Category Management, click Create New Course. The full name of the course is displayed at the top of each page in the course and in the list of courses. In naming a course, it would be better to follow the agreed naming convention so that it would be easier to search or locate a course. The short name of the course is the name that will be displayed in the navigation. Select the appropriate category. For now, we have only miscellaneous. You can hide or show the course visibility. Select the course date and the course end. In your course summary, you may type in the course description found in your instructional guides. You may also put a course image for your course. Then save and return. Now our course is available. Now we can add participants and prepare our gradebook setup.